Let me show you an easy way to verify your email address for your Apple ID account. After you verify your new email address, you can always set that as your primary email associated with logging in and getting the backup codes or verification codes when you sign in. Now, first head into the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and you're going to tap on your name at the very top. You can see I already have my email address for my Apple ID account. If you haven't verified it or you wanted to add a new one to verify, all you're going to do is tap on Sign In and Security here. After you've done that, you're going to tap on Add Email or Phone Number and Add Existing Email. Now you're just going to enter in that new email address here, and it says a verification code will be sent to this address. After you enter in that email, all you need to do is look for this email. You can see I got an email here and it has my email as well as the verified ID or the code. All I need to do is enter that in to my settings, and then after that, it will be set up as an Apple ID email. Keep in mind, you can always change what's your primary email just by tapping on a different email address. And you can toggle on primary email to make a different one or your new one the primary email for your Apple ID account.